All right, the letter H in 2-point perspective. Draw your horizon line. We're going to use these two edges as our vanishing points. We're going to create this within a block that's facing the right side. So there's my first initial line. I need a left side, angle to the left vanishing point, and we'll go back about that wide, I guess. We need to extend the right side towards the right vanishing point. That's how wide that one is going to be. There's our block and a model H out of rectangles. I'm seeing 2 vertical pieces and we need a bar. So to use this, we're going to create the 2 verticals. Pretty easy. Simply have to draw in 2 lines. Boom, those are done. I'm going to plot the top and the bottom of that bar so that it's located where I think it looks good. You could put it here, you could put it here. That looks pretty good. Angle to the right where there are no horizontals. Everything is angling off to the right. All right, that's done. Pretty easy. Erase. No Frankenstein letters. Get rid of this here within our bar. And we have this negative space here. We don't have anything there. We don't have anything there. I'm going to get rid of it up here. And I already know once I get over to this corner, I'm going to have to send that to the opposite vanishing point on the left. Now I would say you can erase this, but I want to be able to see the side of this. So I'm going to keep it there. All right. This hinge, if this was hinging away, opening away from us towards the right, goes top to bottom, we keep the whole thing. So we know we can already shade this in medium value. And that's our side. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put my pencil on the left vanishing point. I'm going to scan through and check all of those corners to see what needs to be sent towards this left vanishing point. That is not up there. That one is. That corner can go. It's going to run into itself. And it's the side, so I can already put in a medium value. I'm going to scan those other corners. I think there's only one more. That corner line side to that medium value. And this is dark under here. That's going to be our darkest value. Again, the little guy who is standing in here would be looking up underneath it. So he's looking at the ceiling, basically. And that would be your letter H. Thin slice. Let's make this thin. What happens then? Well, if the H is this thin, then the other sides have to relate. So I'm going to take care of those. Right here is a side. Here's the side, but I want to make sure I stop and draw in that angled line, that corner. And at that corner, I'm going to use that to line up with this vanishing point on the right. So I can create a back edge here. And this will be darkened in. That little guy is looking up. And we'd erase the rest of it and you'd be able to sort of stick your hand through and wave to the other side. And that is your letter H in 2-point perspective.